Adding Calendly to your Squarespace website lets visitors easily book appointments directly. Here's a quick guide to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. Log into Calendly and get embed code. Start by logging into Calendly and selecting the event type you want to embed. Click Share and choose Add to Website. Choose an embed option. Inline embed displays Calendly directly on the page. Pop-up widget creates a button to open a scheduling pop-up. Pop-up text adds a clickable link that opens Calendly in a pop-up. Copy the generated HTML code. Log into Squarespace. Open your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the page where you want to add Calendly, and enter the edit mode. Add code block. In the Squarespace editor, click on the plus button to add a new block and select code. Paste the Calendly HTML code into this block. Save and adjust. Once you add the code, you should see a preview of the Calendly widget. Adjust the placement as needed and click Save to publish your changes. Preview and test. View your site as a visitor to ensure the Calendly widget or pop-up works correctly.